Today I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Steam games. You can only request a refund if you played less than 2 hours within 14 days. So as you guys can see, I'm in my store. Click on the right hand corner, account details, view purchase history. Click here. As you can see, I have 2 games. I'm going to show you this one, but to click on it, click on that one. I already requested a refund, so I'm not going to do it again. As you guys can see, all you have to do is click request a refund. What issue are you having with this? What issue are you having with this purchase? So you click on refund. So click. Yeah, I'm a pending request, as you guys can see already. I already told them you have to have a reason for you to get a refund. You have to tell them the game's glitchy, the game's not working properly. Otherwise, they're not going to refund your game. So make sure, guys, have a good reason, and also double check on your library and click on the game that you want to request a refund. It shows you the time that you played. So make sure it's less than 2 hours. Thank you for watching.